Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Everyday EDC. My name is Tyler, and today I have another unboxing for you. My unboxing knife for the day is the Off-Grid Knives Scorpion. As you guys have seen in my last unboxing, I'm a little under the weather. Don't feel sorry for me, I'm just giving you guys a heads up. My breath may be going a little bit quicker than normal, but because I am confined to the house, I am carrying knives that make me happy, and this Off-Grid Knives Scorpion makes me happy. So let's get on with the unboxing. This is from another person on Reddit, and I know generically what this is. I don't know exactly what this is. That's because I'm on a quest to just find a knife that actually opens up a box. What the hell? I'm on a quest to really experience all of the Kershaw launch series. As I said in my last video, I really think Kershaw's launch series deserves a little bit more credit than it's given most of the time, because they don't really compare Kershaw launch with the ProTech Newports or ProTech series. And I get it, ProTech is super high quality, and I'm not knocking ProTech by any means, shape, or form. But I am saying those of us that don't want to spend the hundreds of dollars on a certain ProTech, which sometimes they're cheaper, you can find these Kershaws in great blade steels, 154 cm, CPM 154, for anywhere from $80 to $120. So while we usually think that American-made brands are more expensive, both Kershaw and ProTech are both American-made brands, and Kershaw's doing it very... That was too big of a box for too small of a knife, huh? This is the Kershaw Launch 4. This stopped me dead in my tracks. This thing looks brand new. Whoa, that's cool. Alright, so let's take a look at this bad boy. Perfectly centered blade shape. A pocket clip that is just as long. Alright, hold on. This is interesting. I don't know why they do these decisions. Like, sometimes these decisions make no sense to me. Does anybody can pick out what I'm looking at here? I mean, this is the Kershaw Launch 1. This is the Kershaw Launch 4. Who makes the decision to put a 3-inch pocket clip on this and a 1.5-inch pocket clip on the big one? I don't get it. I mean, I just don't understand the logic. Not trying to be funny. Honestly, like, it's like, what? Why is the pocket clip so damn big? Where's my... So here's the Launch 10, which in my opinion is the best small knife that I've ever experienced to date. I haven't opened this one up. I'm not going to compare it yet. But, I mean, the size is the same. But look at the pocket clip. Like, why are we doing that? What is the point of that? Side note, very cute little silicone packet there. That's cute. Matches the size. All right. One thing I can say is the coatings on Kershaw, the Kershaw Launch series, is very nice. I got to find out what the coating is for you guys once I start really reviewing these Kershaws, especially the Launch series, which is going to be a whole series in itself. But it's like, it's smooth but almost textury. Like, it just feels good. I'm assuming it's some sort of DLC coating. But let's check out the hardware here. There's only 2 screws on one side plus the 2 pocket clip screws. This thing's kind of a cool little pillow, like pillbox shape, right? All right, let's see. All right, that is hilarious. This thing fires hard. Look at that. That's awesome. No side to side, no up and down. CPM 154 is most of the Launch series, if not all of the Launch series are. Yeah, CPM 154. That's hilarious. Oh my goodness. Well, you're getting a lot more blade out of your Kershaw Launch 10. And then here it is compared with the Off-Grid Knife Scorpion. Oh, snap. That's hilarious. Something's hilarious about these small California legal automatic knives, which they serve a purpose, don't get me wrong. I'm not hating on them. I think it's kind of hilarious to have something like this on you, but at the same time, most of us, this is really all we need, right? I will do a kind of like a battle to the death between all the Launch series when they're smaller, like the smaller Launch series versus the larger ones, to say, like, if you're looking for a smaller automatic knife, which one should you get based on X, Y, and Z, right? I truly believe that this hawkbill shape is the perfect size for a small blade because you kind of get more out of the blade than you actually should. On the other hand, sharpening this is going to be a mother fricker. I've just taken a really narrow belt and just stropped it up ever since, but if I ever have to sharpen this, or when I have to sharpen that, that's going to be a pain in the ass. This one, on the other hand, is going to be easier to sharpen, although there is no sharpening choil, so that's going to be annoying. But all that being said, it's a pretty solidly built little knife. I don't really know what else to say about this guy. It's kind of hilariously small, right? Let's make a couple cuts. Zoop. So this is just going to go on the assumption that it's kind of actually, all right, so first complaint about a super small knife in this shape, just trying to cut paper, it feels weird. And maybe it feels weird because the blade's not super sharp, which in usual everyday EDC fashion, let's see if a little stropping can just bring that back to life without having to do anything crazy, right? All right, let's see if that helped out our little guy. Yeah, we're getting a little bit better cuts out of it. That's another thing that I like this hawkbill shape for, by the way, is when I'm cutting with this, I want to draw through, and that's all I'm getting, is this right here, right? When I take this hawkbill shape, you want to grab on at the end, and it just wants to take it with it. So even though you're following the blade shape with this, you're following the blade shape with this hawkbill, and it really just tries to grab whatever material you're doing on. Plus, you got this draw cut that's going to work really well. With this one, you can still draw cut. I mean, you still got the tip, and you can still go like that. So I think this is actually a really, really cool little design, and I'm excited to carry it. Except for that, I almost feel like that's not the real pocket clip. Like, that just seems like, I just feel like somebody's playing a joke on me. Anyways, guys, this is the Kershaw Launch 4. As I said, I'm going to be doing a review on the Launch series, and yeah, that's all I got for this. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Tyler. This has been Everyday EDC. You guys stay sharp, stay safe. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe, like. I have a Patreon. If you're interested, check that out. In the Patreon, we're giving bi-monthly giveaways based on the number of patrons, and I also give great discounts on the knives that I review. So thank you guys again so much for being a part of this channel and the best part of this community. Have a great day, guys.